we left at 6 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock in the morning. So, galing kami ng Bacoor. So, our first stop was yung sa Aurora statue. Okay, we're now here in Aurora, Baler. Welcome to Aurora! We ate lunch at Alexa's seafood restaurant.
And then we swam at the beach. The waves were very high and very strong. Kalia and I drowned.
We enjoyed the waves.
Yes.
Oh. We're on our day 2. Hi, Kalia! Are you going to swim sa falls later?
Hi, we're here at the Nature's Farm Resort. The water was very cold.
Cold and clear.
A lot of rocks.
Yeah, there's a lot of rocks. Did you enjoy your swimming there?
Yes.
Do you like there?
Wow.
Very cold.
It's really cold. It's so cold.
And then we swam at the swimming pool there.
Hi! So, we're here at Kaunayan Falls. Yan. So, this is the Kaunayan Falls. We were here 8 years ago with Chloe pa lang. So, si Kalia, first time niya. Kalia!
And then
Check
we
out
ate
na.
at a cafe.
The place is very cozy.
There was
Very-
an upstairs area.
Yeah. No, you have to remove your slippers. And then,
Yeah, there was like artificial grass.
sa floor ka lang nakaupo.
And there's pillows.
Yeah, that's your chair. Kay Gayuma Cafe.
What did you order?
Yeah.
Mocha frap.
Ate ordered for mocha frap. I ordered mocha iced coffee for Daddy. Welcome to Baler! Hi! Let's go to the museum. Yes, say hi. This is Museo de Baler.
Whoa!
That's
Oh.
Manuel L. Quezon.
Ah,
Yung
president?
nasa 20
President.
pesos na bill.
President?
Yeah.
I learned that in AP. So pretty. Look at these. I want these. Or the turtle ones. Where? Thank you, Baler!
And then we went to the recommended restaurant of Ate Carla. Sa
Jerry's.
Jory's Ihaw-Ihaw and Seafood House. After we ate lunch, we went to the Dugisit Rock Formation.
Oh, yeah,
Super
yeah,
ganda.
Kalye took some shells.
Then, Kalia collected some shells. How many? So, you have 17 shells. And then, next we went to Zabali Hanging Bridge.
So we're on the hanging bridge right now. Honestly, it looks like it's about to fall, but it's very secure and safe. It's very fun, but it's scary. And it has like little peepholes, so I'm holding everything very tightly. It's going to rain, so we're gonna try to.
So that's it for today, and see you on our next trip. Bye!
Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Baler!
Baler!